All right, welcome back to the next video in this series. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and set up our React router and set up the job page. And we're going to set our routes up as well. All right, so let's go back to our, I believe this is the job card. We're just going to uncomment out our link and add that back. Our program is going to temporarily stop working because we don't have React router set up. So let's just close our components, close GraphQL, let's open up our app.js. All right. And what we need to do is we need to import our browser router, our switch, and our actual routes. Okay. And let's move this down to the bottom. And then let's see if we have our job created. Nope. So in our job folder under containers, create a new file. We'll say index.js or AFCE. We'll say job. Okay. All right, so we're going to take our router. Okay. We're going to add a switch to it. And then we have our individual routes. And then we're going to press and hold Option and press the up arrow to move our jobs into our route. And then let's add a path of slash. That'll just be for our jobs. All right. And then let's add another route. Make sure it's above our jobs route. If not, make sure you type the exact word so that it doesn't override and always go to jobs. Okay. So let's add another route. Okay. And then we're going to import our job. And then we're going to set our path to /job/ and we want the ID, which we're going to be, whenever they click view job, it's going to go to that. You see how it shows the ID? We're going to pull that ID, and that's how we're going to do our request for that particular job. All right, so we're going to save that. And that should be it for app.js. Let's go ahead and clear that. Now let's go to our job component. Okay. All right. Another thing we need to do is we need to pull our parameters out. So we're going to import use params from our React router. And then we'll say const ID equals use params. Okay. And then we just want to show our ID, make sure we're pulling it correctly. So let's go, there we go, there's our ID. All right, so that's it for this video. The next video, we're going to go ahead and create our query for our job, our specific job, and then we'll go from there. So see you guys in the next one.